What's in the bags? All right, let's get it. Ooh. Yeah. Oh, here's some hardware. All right, package from Siouxicide Shoppers. How's that sticker right there? Don't get our address. Just kidding. Guys, I can't even begin to tell you guys how excited I am. I've been waiting to get this bad boy for a while now. Siouxicide Chopper Sissy bar. Guys, it's a little pricey, but totally worth it, okay? I've been following these guys for a long time. A bunch of my friends have all kinds of products. I'm gonna put their information in the description below, but I've been eyeing the Sissy bar for a long time. American made, built tough. Gonna be able to get the kids on the fat boy once I slap it on, but it's gonna look amazing. Okay, let's see what we got. Packaged really well. Quick shout out to Mike, who amazing customer service. Amazing customer service. But I called, spoke to him on the phone, made sure I had all the right information. And they were leaving for Daytona like literally the next day. So he got this out to me right away. It's here, hasn't even been a week yet. So Mike, mahalo sir, appreciate you. Let's check out this bad boy. What? Oh, right on, packaged really well. Ooh, look at this. Yes. Okay, so I want to be really careful that I don't cut the paint, chip the paint. Supposed to be cutting away from myself. Dude, this thing feels so tough. Oh, look at that. Yes. Yes, guys. Oh my God, I'm about to cut myself. What? Something came my way. Hold on. Oh yeah. Gotta have your stickers. Oh man. Look at that. Padding right there. It's got the little emblem. Or their name. Look how thick this bad boy is. I believe it's 1.5 inches in diameter, but yeah, it should slide right on. Got the hardware in here. Yeah, buddy. Okay. Okay, come on here. So yeah, so just if you look down here, just gonna put the hardware here on each side. Then it'll just slap in, lock in like so. And boom, you guys will be protected, kid. Huh? Not too shabby. Yeah, there it is. Mahalo cameraman or camera woman. Packaged really well. Looking forward to getting on the fat boy. It's gonna completely change the look, but more importantly, it's gonna keep the kids on the bike when we go for a ride. Kids are spoiled, man. They don't want to deal with the shadow. Guess 750 is not strong enough for them.
More like you don't want to deal with the shadow.
Watch that tone, kid. Right on, fam. Well, here it is. Super stoked. I'll have an install video coming soon. Didn't have time. Had to kind of rush, and now got to rush again. But no excuses. Shout out to Siouxicide Choppers. This is the 16-inch, 1.5 in diameter, Excalibur Sissy bar from Siouxicide Choppers. It's for the fat boy and for the breakout. Obviously, they have 22-inch Sissy bars for other bikes, but for the fat boy and breakout, it only goes 16-inch, which is great. This is perfect. I think it'll be fine. You got the non-perforated pad that it comes with for free. If you want to upgrade to, you know, the perforated or add stitching of different colors and whatnot, you can do so as well. I just wanted to just keep it simple and go black. But yeah, Siouxicide choppers, crash bars, floorboards, front end accessories, luggage racks that look cool. Obviously, Sissy bar, and then they got all kinds of swag, t-shirts, and all that stuff. So hit them up. I'm gonna put all their information in the description below. But real quick, just want to send a shout out to Mike who helped me out. They were literally leaving, I noted earlier, for Daytona the day before, the next day after I called them and got a bunch of info, put my order in. So they got it out to me, and it didn't take that very long at all. So these bars, made in America, a little bit up there in price, but I'll tell you right now, man, just from holding this bad boy, it's built tough. And one of the main reasons why I got it was, you know, obviously for guys, it's all, you know, looking sexy and whatnot, but for the kids, you know, I want to be able to take the kids on the fat boy. I was joking around earlier about how they no longer want to be on the Honda Shadow 750. But just an extra safety precaution for them and whatnot. So super stoked. Mike, thank you, sir. Appreciate you guys. You guys do a great job. Go check out their website. Again, like I said, I'm going to put all the info in the description below. And they make all kinds of stuff for Harley, Indians, and whatnot. So super stoked, man. It's gonna be great. The hardware didn't come with any instructions, but you don't. I mean, if you can get dressed in the morning, you should be fine, bro. So no worries about that. It came with like 4 bolts, and then the cam lock thingy doos that these attached to right here. So I'm stoked, man. It's gonna be great. So Siouxicide choppers, go check them out. Again, put all the stuff in the description below. Right on for tuning in. Install video to come shortly. Again, it shouldn't be too long. I'll make it a quick video just like this one. So it's good to be back. Appreciate you guys for all the support. You know what to do. Stay safe, stay blessed, and let's continue to spread Aloha, people, because we need it. Boom, bang. Fat boy out.
Be sure to like, comment, and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell so you get notifications when we upload new videos.